You searched how to buy shares of Vail Resorts Inc. Vail Resorts operates ski resorts, lifts, lodges, and hospitality services across mountain destinations. The company trades on NASDAQ under the ticker Mountain. This is educational content, not financial advice. Always research before investing. To buy Mountain, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document. You will also need to add funds to your account before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker Mountain. Locate Vail Resorts Inc. in the results and select the NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movements. Confirm the company name, ticker Mountain, and the NASDAQ exchange to make sure this is the right asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose whether to buy whole shares or a dollar amount if the broker supports fractional investing. Review the order details carefully and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may queue or execute at market open depending on the order type. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your Mountain position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the eToro link and more information, check the description below.